Bo empeni fast se kikri ni jaya keka so be jai. Auto nchiremu I say Nana Jnana ya sunya dimosa sedumoso sunya dimosa hene. Obekasa so no ready stars. O say wake up no. O de nkom se bi baaye. Bekika resource or stars na ensuma na draw declare do obeje do obedi second do obedi third do obedi fourth. O de ensuma nsem bi baaye. Ebe busa esibu oso de esibu oso no. Na kind of what say honorable. Nana pia on kwaso. Yes re. Bra be kire nsem kakra because stars no edi ehwemo ede na si ye komu na na si ye dai fala na na be kasa na be kasa wa be kasa me want to no kire wa adwen e de amame e wo comment section Ayebiafo block me da me sure say any DM o be like video no da one subscribe button some be click notification icon latest update na be kire wa adwen amame e wo comment section o ba so no wa share force enya bia hwe me kan phone nala money send up ene de ama o USA o UK o be send ska e de be fia e nala for my promo code Penyah TV send this na ombecha $20 for free. Now let's go to the story. Ono mo say World Cup 2026 akwawiye in fact akwawiye last week Saturday e china and exactly 1 week abla ball tournament ni na ewiye ema emorkra na eye Spain and Iran fan na omone Argentina and edikosi akan ema Spain etimshi Argentina 1-0 ema omoje cup no free Argentina for ensem ema na ball no dey in fact we bia na emu shipa but omu ye Argentina fenfenam the whole Argentina message dem ni abo full 90 minutes na omu more shot Oma record 0 shots any 0 shot on target just omu more hwe fouls nko an red card yellow card no omu ye no hono mo kona no matu ba ko pe just foul offside ni red card ni yellow card nko an no mo jeje but enye hona ye din command edefa now you know before say World Cup no ebe baso no man van kwaje 2024 ana na Ayebiafo Jnana sunya de mo hwahene na no de ni nyansa ni sika chechiri ni kuro ema ni kuro yesu Dubai no aha sa na oh wonder boy adwuma may you respect you too kuro mo kowe police agents o masa nye easy kuro baby aye clean na ni boy adwuma what I say oh boy adwuma na money yo obehye nkom bi je say minim se menka say ye nkom show se de on already stars na adwuma na wo ye no o say ready nsunoma ti o hwe nsunoma ni mu a na obeka de besi akina akyerew ema according to him can be a so pepe. So it was in 2024 and obeka say World Cup na be in 2026 no well who the best because ensoma na adana declare na ensoma na kire say World Cup no Spain and Argentina and be final na France and England accomplished third and fourth na France at the third or can say 2024
number 106 the star foresee Argentina winning the World Cup in 2026 one more to bet in one I'm telling you the star said 2026 Argentina best for World Cup in when I saw it no me say me perform bad na me do but I'm going make it. So 2026 the star is saying say Argentina also take the World Cup betting for no one go to man papa no mo twene boom mudi am this going to be why you got to say why can it anyway
was that character is a boys mo be say mu twa bet na mo fa maso fem no ubetimi edi not that video no kwa 2025 or sabe can be
Argentina and Spain e be ko finals omo finals na Argentina ba be win na Spain na be 2 na France so ne another team so akobo na kile France ko third this has started kanoma so me I'm not a prophet onyankopon ka bibia nkyerebe I am a forecaster. I look through stars, I look through numbers, and I'm able to speak on what it means.
But can say it is still stand the Beyonce say the okay ohu ya na eno a na mu Emma January 2026 or sabe se mu kena be si sudua
number 92 Argentina, Spain, and France will be the finalists in the FIFA World Cup in 2026. Argentina, Spain, and France will be the finalists in the FIFA World Cup in 2026. Finals will be between Spain and Argentina will win.
As I said, on who are the idea. Clear. Sa neko. Spain, Argentina, na yakobo France England oka say Argentina ene be wene na Spain at the second na France abedi third na England abedi fourth emo kan ye no ehun nsem be bebrebe entima one of the bloggers crowd in the interview and was I didn't say we say buy
Dabi onana okaze stars ne kan a nyame bi to me be nana say na over so hu niam no because
see this something people understand this.
Okay.
My more example I'll bit me at here.
Okay.
So see I wa hay say nsu beto ochena. Ye won professor so mo hwehwe nsu. So
Matthew 4. Yeah.
Omutimi cho say nsu beto.
Yeah.
Na ne to ne kwa na be very intensive and I say ye nto ne kese.
Yeah.
Say be American say be a hurricane be see a. Omutimi hwehwe nsu hurricane be see wa.
Yeah.
One aspect of a science.
Okay.
But non a physical science.
Okay.
There was subtle science and so children no my BC. Ewa brain see.
Okay.
They said yeah. Omodi mfidi agogo nwi ma nsu beto omutumuka ice beto omutumuka snow beto omutumuka no.
Yeah.
So I prepare another subtle science they find the science of astrology.
Okay.
Based on the movement of the moon, the sun, and all the other planets, you know what the idea actually. Wow. You know, an idea I do all the time. I do for individuals. I do for nations.
Okay.
But I dare back when I say I don't do for Ghana. Every year, I'm here for Ghana. There way.
Yeah.
Don't I don't do it. The reason is that Ghana for Ghana you move there.
Okay.
Because I just say, be a my focus now. Be our na about politics and be now be MPP and NDC now and the person will end up insulting you.
Yeah.
Today my focus be now. I don't do for Ghana.
Okay.
I'm over come to me. I didn't know my Ghana and India. But we know because now medical can 2023.
Okay.
So 2026, on the 8th January, and I'm here my forecast because of Duma for a year into usually in the 3rd January.
Yeah.
But Duma for a year in 8th and I'm here in 2026. And I started to can say Argentina never winning. Na Spain at also 2. Na France at also 3. In fact, I didn't even mention England.
Yeah.
But when my last video I'm here now, I said it.
Somebody commented and you said, when
yeah, because I felt say in football, no, first, second, third in the matter.
Yeah. Okay.
4-1, no, you don't get anything, so there's no need.
Okay.
Anything I can 3, no, Argentina first, Spain second, and then France second. Now, we be beyond a person who says stars, no, yeah, you amazingly, no. Now, me hebo ni bi.
Okay.
So, we share a year the sea war Egypt and Argentina and Tema. That should tell you, say, the star works. I want one of you and I am the one in the worker. How is it possible? Say, will be actually 2-0.
Yeah.
I can't 11 minutes.
Yeah.
I can't 11 minutes. Then you bet me at 2. No, I say I show back. I can't work extra time. That should tell you.
Nana. France there no. France Lucia. Because France be third, but France could be fourth. And then now I'm for start to add the short to be ever by 18. I'm so granting interview now. A honor and all into the movie a buy. But now and the final there, it still stands say Spain and Argentina and a eco final. Na Argentina as a captain. Na Ghana for Obia airtrain and then you didn't come assurance. It's not bad for the day. In fact, I saw the so Obia Kukus Kaka said the good match in so Argentina kwaje cap. Ya jina na jina di. Ya kwaje ni boom ti ye bu scale. Ya obi tam $10,000. No that too bad so pam. Oko Argentina chi. Argentina kwaje cap no. E wo jan hwe bi akobo ball na at the end of the day no. Spain ade no kwadane. Emma Spain ekwachi Argentina for twomachi ababa akọ mo ntimi anye antwomachi bi. Na se nana stars no by all standard afeli no. Though wotimi hu ne clear even the first to who say 3rd and 4th Spain any France and England and bebo na final no crowd Argentina any Spain no crowd plus as any common because tournament I start series what my predict omo be call 3rd and 4th anyone be call final sir na say great and no crowd somehow great achievement but the score line no any match ending no there esibuoso by all standard esibuoso enti ba ina se media as a man for take can be tira no eso ya kan ye ball nya ba bia de nkom se ba ho no mo obeye mihu we ya ball ebegu ani mu ase ebe wo bia won se wo nya no kwafo unhu hwe wani hu hwe na man for take true shot
Nunuanom Juta mo Ghana monhwem na mo bra wate monhwem na mo bra Emamo mfa mo ani nto nkwasiafo bia so se omo ready stars ena ena obi ti krum ho ena ye friend Jenna ena wa predict ena Argentina ni Spain ebeko final ena omo aye omo kukuruko na omo ti kro ni mu ena mehu Argentina France ena Spain na Argentina befa na Spain edi second na France edi third. Say France edi third on. Say France edi third. Muti krom ho ena meye Buddhist ena meye we ena yahye ye ho kosesa obi nkwase amamre efri India abetna Ghana e dia bo ho safo hene asif se unim bibia na India ho nom no a usua omonnyoma no omo work up no mo baby India fo no a mo ti ho nom a mo tama man for religion na mo di jimidi e che no India fo no omo work up no mo baby Wodi Ghana youth montena kro mu na mamomfa enieden any smartness bra no na momfa moni nto honhom so obi se o ready stars opa omo ready stars enko ready triangle ne rectangle nyina nka ho wa amfa enieden ni nyansa amfa amobra no a forget it na modi etena march no obi atimi wini into the fausika bi kokoto so say Jenna cactus das say Argentina be win into the koguso na etina ye mbobo ni wi no anhwa na ebi mu besu de boys girls mommo bra no with nyansa na munja nkwasiafo achiridie oni
to win fana Argentina waje watam aswa investors ya sika die chire papa ya disibini pa na stars na hwan hwe Argentina ball to kan bia na obobobo eye favor bi na like edi Argentina fo achi amodu bebe modu no it's not say bia like omo bobo bia ama o it's not about some bobo bia ama o masa oh dabi because what he has really disappointed us. Argentina to win for now in some na what she said 2023 na fine question for now. Investors, we've lost everything, every penny that we use. I mean, now this is the outcome. This is the outcome, bro. France has won the FIFA World Cup 2026. Beans. God damn it.
Video we enye hurehuri entimi huri ba kokora ni braba. Eye nana Ayebiafo ama bet edi amanfo esu Ghana de se obia etwa eja adwo code Mickey edino eye omo investors de investors aboka egu enam nana Ayebiafo stars prediction a wode baayem wanka nkyere obi si wonkotwa de ba mamenka nkyere o se nana Ayebiafo ka baako na abem ka mienu na abem ka miensa na abem de wontimi nkase ma nkase munkotwa na opese yetwa na opese yetwa enti boys ne duom sika akuguso ama brante bi afrem ya osu a okekem eye France any England de no wotwa $15,000 tieniye a motegana wotwa 100 200 usu o USA wotwa $15,000 mekura na meji na chinyi a wasende ama me da me phone so phone no we $15,000 wotwa amnedi no
na na bisi buya sana bra be tire nsem at least be ka bibi kakra bi ayom bet ye di but o be kasa kakra bi kra na be se ye nkra na ketwe bi na be kasa e wo sana na do se ayo wa be kasa na be tire nsem na we eni nsem a na e wo de ka kire ne mai Ghana fo no
ya Ayebiafo mpamacho mecheche mu nyina na Ayebiafo Jnana ni anopa wi anwumre me ba mo nche anye bone so mo hwe ya 3 years ago 3rd January said every year be no me forecast reading for the whole world no and Ekobamu prediction me buy for a year 2026 World Cup. And as usual, no, every year, Sana ya me no, and yet only 2023 every year. Na stars no, I can say a year Spain, Argentina, France. I'm gonna be the finalist. Na Spain, any Argentina, and a back of finals. Na Spain, I share na Argentina, I share Spain. Na France at third. This is what happened. We can want them 2023, we can want them 2024, we can want them 2025, and then if January 2026 is so, may me forecast reading for the year, no, and so we can want them. Now it's very unfortunate to say, Enra, I boy wake up in the year, no, said the stars in a car, you know, I me can't want them, no, I'm massa, which is very disappointing. And to be honest with you, no, me and Kasano as an individual, I don't know why it did not happen. Because we will be a wedding match per year. This is something I have been doing for years. And believe me, God, these are very real things that you can't see. But I make a very disappointing. Say Uncle said you see, you know. But then you know, Musha, your bobo no best 104, 103 or so. Now, said you make kind right from the beginning, you know, be see ya be do say truly the same teams na me both, you know, or more they call semi-finals, or more they call finals. Just unfortunately, no position as a more than no necessary. They make a mechanic 2023, 3rd January. Now we will be so to the match. I can say stars no any mistake. The stars do not lie. But ye ni pana ye reading no at times on AB will be to me I may say one word B, one symbol B, and now one BB. A bit to me ama resort and casa over here no AB an ambassador. But the stars do not lie. They're making 2016 before I ever told about ama President Trump abe president. Make us about 90% of Grofo or prediction or Munim said the normaty no Obiaka Trump can never win. I came out and I said, based on the star calculation, no, Donald Trump, that I know any president too, was going to become the president of the US. They make you go back 2014, 2015, 2016. A month for more reading or more forecasting is anomaly. About 90-95% you know it was not possible. But the stars now you really say Donald Trump win, and truly he won. Go back before 2020, I said they said Donald Trump was going to lose. 2020, he lost. Or losing 2020, and I say he will come back in 2024. Every year, Nameka can 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, Mekai do not track him. And Obekaya stars and come and make and say Joe Biden, no, president at that time, no, he will not be on the ballot. There are few weeks to election time, no, he is going to resign. Now, or resign or ban on the Babylidi, a Democrat for or more flag bearer. They're making you see, they're making say we will be our kind of credit. Now follow me. You understand that they're making you credit and you throw a no credit and make a channel. A year or buy him out or UK, obey free move, stars and a bekai. So obey din anniversary be, Odi Obenya heart problem. Emunan obey free Marco. I said this, it happened. For all the years, my bad social media, and normal, na meye, ekekafa hono. Obi o follow me and say, Anya here no 96 to 98% of the things that make any in a bum. The see and to acquire war, Middle East or Mokone then before 7th October. I 1st January 2023 before say I Hamas for back out Ivra Mekai Zali. The NTBC, I said everything. You better move 2024 and to acquire ABC or Middle East Israel for Bemu Mekai 2026 baby because so when you be all follow me you know say this man he knows what he's doing. Baby I can it happens like that by human beings. I'm human, I'm your God. And I've said it say The stars, and even though do not lie, no, but it is not cast in stone. The reason is 70% of what happens to us in life, cannot be changed. By 30% can be changed. Anything I'm so surprised say a man will be alpha videos and now more can bet they will not say it's the Papa no kai. 3 years ago, Emma Abam up to the way say teams of Bobo Dean, I call finance, I call semi finance. Just say the last result on an alma. You see? Every year, may have forecast reading for thousands of people. A year, man, many people 100,000. Everybody will come and tell you, say, in some of the cafe, me hono, normal, 100%, and 98%, and 90%, and 70%. Yes, most of them minimum, but over king kind stars, everything about you are there. They won't. We will be able to follow me. The SCA be na a how. Obos will be a video, be a with the term and all kinds of be hard. Please, there's no need going under anybody's video to go and banter with the person because of me. Some of these things happens. I say you move on. Men ko video be now be did in term because they do be the matter. I think say here. I'm a human being, said the mechanic BBN, I am not God. And the stars, 70%, nothing can be done about it. 30%, something can be done. To be my focus, I'm out there. Matre BBM, and I said, these are the suggested remedies. And what does the remedies do? Even once a woman, then I'll bet me a year free one, I'll bet me minimize the impact. Good ones a woman, then I'll bet me a year, obey a bum, and I say be a bay and tempt them. I tell people this. Into the stars and it can be been said there's no way why do I suggest that people should do remedies according to Omo forecast? There was for me by now because I'm very sorry say do na no munya faith will be na uncle said yes is but because at least by 92-95% be and go through from the beginning to a DM bobo as someone about finance semi-finance exactly. And this I said it 3.5 years ago. Me cannot 3rd January 2023. The abusia I am fancy here. Said the mechano. BBS say no be and ask what becan. But you'll be able to follow me actually. You know this person is a sincere person. Or you'll be or babo until you becan a bum. And somehow do a global issue of my car bum no. So videos you know you be better to have one who be say and your boss I have taken my time to study these things. I'm a life coach. Those that come to me, even say advice I more money idea bo mu. Men konko di obi video wa ya bia wadi matem wa kan bibi na won ne koke hehe eno mfaso obi ani so ye nipa. I'm fallible. Metimi a mistake. Till they see you know, even though we check it 104 matches a boy baby ko see na. Obeka say obe best 95%. All the ways that me board teams in or more finance and then semi-finance. It happened. Just said the final result on Anko Yi. Said I personally I am so disappointed in myself. So we meant to make kind of man because I won't be able to explain now what happened. But Yame any name
me first one we and who say. In fact, even though the video be me in regards to my predictions, day na France, Argentina ne Spain on finance, a month for be based on information with them mind, and a lot of them got so much money. And then because they trusted me because of my winning be done into them Argentina and Spain, and as a month for this can be British, probably a real music, which is very bad and they're hardly. It is very difficult to come by money lately. It is Obinya Sikana always in his eye and hardly. So I do sympathize with Obibiana with the trust on ya Obi Munsi Bia. The previous year, no Sika CBD and actually a Kobana Sano. But I do sympathize with all of you. Abrawan sanity at times we gain, at times we lose. Yeah, and I hope so going forward, then Yanko will be maybe or be energy when it's in a tumpon. It is not very easy coming by money lately. To be with Casa and a having. In fact, maybe Driana or mobile money and say, Hammer pass. I decided to make a video that come back on a million and a panona. Get me, I shall be instead of mechanic bibiano. I'm a human being like you. Yes, you take your time as you idea when it comes to this astrological, numerological, mystical science, And I need to know a one crop baby, but mechanic bibiano. 70% of what we experience in life, 30% a bit me answer. It starts in a bit me can be. The people I bit me answer. Maybe so high to me answer. Until the see a football now. The cash share ya be drew semi-finance finance. Nina be more until say finance no. The past time the castle be when one winning. To be na what they can discard that because of information. But the mind shading crying say, "Was I contribute more what risk? I do sympathize with you, and I hope say in I is the crack. The battery and the near baby a woman. The dominance. I hope say Christ UTI a boy man for a boy brabomo your guidance and we'll keep on doing that. I don't know a boy Muslim say they also pay attention to your advice at the mom, your coaching at the mom about woman will be at me. Tell me the money nasi and go on come be home. Bye bye.
Nana Bekasa, what you don't say on Kwana Hano. A Hanipa. Now we need to say na ebeko. To be frank, I dare need the open clear, but you know, it is what it is, and I own to me so. And you're hinting when I'm always through that, and I say, "Oh, you're sorry, pa." I say, "I'll come back, but it is what it is." We will actually watch you at the amame. Our comment section. I hype in your block media. I got.